everybody? Welcome back to another video, and we got another package in. Again, I just woke up, but I woke up to the package being here, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Alright, as you can see, we got the Armaspeed box here. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. So we have the top piece. It's just the regular, like, I don't know, just the regular. It's not the carbon fiber one, but the intake itself is carbon fiber. Here it is. Let me show you guys. This piece right here is carbon fiber. Shoo! We got the other half of the heat shield, the air filter itself, and then a little bag of goodies. So let's see what we got inside. Alright, so this one was not the bag of goodies actually. It was just the couplers and the things to hold them down in place, and a couple screws and washers. And the last thing, we got this little envelope from Armaspeed themselves. Let's see what's in it. So in this envelope with just instructions. Don't really need them, it's not that hard to do it, but nonetheless still pretty cool. And look, I did get a sticker. Add that to the collection. Guys, Cody said he's not gonna help me with the install today. He said he's too tired. Alright, I'm not gonna do a full, like, you know, step-by-step install, but I will try to help you guys. Did I just break this? Well, I definitely can't show you guys a install. Broke it. That out. I don't think that was supposed to come out all the way like that. Loose. Pull these up. This part's out. Easy. Alright, make sure you put these little clips that came off the box, put those back in there because you are going to need those. Then so hot. I'm sweating. My hair's a mess. And like it's so hot, like the cicadas are out. Right? Is that how you say it? Cicadas? The little bugs that make a noise. Yeah. So get some sound clips. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get Christian's reaction to the new intake live.
I had a little sneak peek of it earlier.
Of course, dude. I just washed the car and the thing's like, oh my goodness.
We're about to get shot by some
Something
sprinklers. You gonna go down there and rip it down here?
Yeah. Should be good. You get the turbo so a little better.
Yeah. Dude, you can really hear it sucking the air. Pause.
Sounds a little crazy here. Let's go right here.
Yeah, rip it down there. Turn it right. Then you can't see me.
You gotta fix it.
Okay. Little pops too now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I don't know if you guys heard that. It was like. It sounds like a dragon or something, dude.
Crazy, right?
Yeah. It's wild.
After shooting this.
Look at that Subi, guys. Mmm.